This is Patrick with Geochron Digital, and I am going to go through some specific instructions on how to use Rufus to create a bootable drive to upgrade your version 1 to version 2 Geochron Digital. First of all, I've got here on this, in my hand a USB flash drive. I'm going to reach down and plug it into my computer. And you'll see that that USB device appears in Rufus on the top line up here. There it goes. Now, the next thing you need to know is where that image that you downloaded from Geochron is at. On my computer, it's over here under the downloads queue. So it's called this, and has my serial number on it, but you will have a different serial number, and you just need to know where that's at. And when you press select, it'll ask you to find the file that you want to create a bootable image from. So here it is, downloads, and there's the file. This file is the same as that file. I have selected it and I'm pressing open. Great. So now that you see it's in the boot selection, there's that file, which is this file that you downloaded from Geochron, and I'm going to press start. It's going to go check out all that stuff on the USB drive. It's going to warn you that it is going to delete everything on that flash drive. I say okay. At this point, it is deleting everything on the flash drive to make space for this file, which will become your bootable drive that you will later put into the Geochron Digital. This is going to take, I don't know, maybe about 10 minutes. I'll come back when it's done. So, Rufus is telling me that it is ready to go. Now, that whole process took 10 minutes, and if you want to double check, go back to your File Explorer in Windows, and I'm going to jump down to where that USB drive is at, and let's take a look at what we have. I've got 2 gigabytes, 1 gigabyte, some other stuff. The whole thing should come up to more than 3 gigabytes, and you're ready to go. So at this point, take out the USB drive and put it into your Geochron Digital, then follow the rest of the instructions. And you're done with Rufus and creating your boot drive for Geochron Digital version upgrade to number 2.